So let me show you how to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go into settings, and then under settings, scroll on the left hand side to security and privacy, tap on that. And then under security and privacy, go to more security settings, tap on that, and then you should see secure folder. So tap on that to start the setup process. So of course you're going to read about enhanced privacy and productivity and everything, and then tap on continue, and then you can go through the list of permissions and hit next, and now it's creating our secure folder. Next, choose how you want to secure your secured folder. You can choose a pin, password, or pattern, and keep in mind that this is different from what you have on the lock screen of your tablet. So for me, I'm just gonna go and select pattern. Okay, now I already have a pattern for my lock screen. I'm gonna use a different one for my secure folder. So I'm gonna use that, and then tap on continue and re-enter your password. Hit confirm. Now you can choose between password, pin, or pattern. It's all up to you. Now it says allow lock reset to Samsung account. Basically, when you allow that, if you forget your secure folder password, you can use your Samsung account to reset. So make sure this is enabled. And then also you can choose to use your fingerprint to access the secure folder. So if you've not set up your fingerprint, it's going to ask you to set it up, or it's actually going to take you to set up a brand new fingerprint specifically for the secure folder. So let's set that up. You can actually use a different finger for secure folder if you want to, so that you use one finger to unlock your phone and a different finger to unlock the secure folder, just for added security. Once you're done setting up, tap on done and you're good to go. So tap on next, and then basically you choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Do you want to close all apps while locked? I'm gonna select that and then tap on done. Simple as that. So this is our secure folder. Of course, you can go to the three dots and customize the secure folder. You can look at hidden apps. You can lock and exit. You can choose to hide the secure folder. You can add files, customize. You can even go to the secure folder settings at any time and tweak a couple of things like the pattern and whatnot. So that is basically how to set up the secure folder. So now that it's set up, you'll always see it on the app screen, unless of course you've chosen to hide it in the secure folder settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.